Hey everyone.
We have sort of a problem here.
Okay, good. What's the problem?
If you sometimes need to preview your page as it is gonna be when you preview it without the Elementor editor. So what I want to see your entire page and you want to see the right position of our object on this page, but still want to see the setting at the same time, this is the great solution.
Nice.
It's been really helpful, and right now we really do need to see where our object on this page, because we're gonna be moving them, and this way you can grab our Elementor panel and it's not stacked on the left anymore. If you need something like that, then you can install or download that plugin. Just go to plugin and then click add new. Now search for a plugin called FEP or Flexible Elementor Panel. Simply install and activate this plugin. That's easy. If you are enjoyed to watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like, comment and share to your friends. So I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much.